Step into a journey where the city skyline meets open water and every moment feels like a perfect blend of movement and calm. Welcome to the Toronto Harbour Sightseeing Cruise, an experience that offers a fresh perspective of one of Canada's most vibrant cities. From the very beginning, there is a sense of ease, as the rhythm of the water invites you to slow down and simply take it all in. Toronto is a city known for its diversity, culture, and iconic skyline, and nowhere is this more beautifully visible than from the harbor. Over the years, the waterfront has become a central part of the city's identity, connecting urban life with natural beauty. The sightseeing cruise brings these elements together, offering a view that is both expansive and intimate at the same time. As you arrive at the dock, the gentle sound of water and the sight of boats swaying lightly create a calm and welcoming atmosphere. The skyline rises in the distance, with the CN Tower standing tall as a symbol of the city's modern spirit. Stepping aboard the cruise, you immediately feel a shift. The busy pace of the city begins to fade, replaced by the smooth, steady motion of the boat. The journey begins as the cruise glides across the harbor, revealing Toronto from a completely new angle. Glass towers reflect sunlight, historic buildings add character, and the waterfront stretches out in a way that feels both dynamic and peaceful. The open space of the lake contrasts beautifully with the density of the city, creating a balance that is visually stunning. As the cruise moves further, the experience becomes more immersive. The breeze carries a refreshing coolness, and the sound of water against the boat creates a soothing rhythm. Passengers relax, take photos, and enjoy the unfolding scenery, each moment offering a different perspective. Islands, marinas, and hidden corners of the harbor come into view, adding depth to the journey. The flow of the experience is gentle and continuous, allowing you to fully absorb the surroundings without feeling rushed. Whether you choose to stand at the edge and watch the water or sit back and take in the skyline, every moment feels intentional. The changing light, reflections on the water, and the movement of the cruise create a living, breathing scene that evolves throughout the journey. It offers a pause from the fast pace of everyday life, creating space for reflection and appreciation. There is something deeply calming about being surrounded by water while still connected to the energy of the city. Triplara.com is your ultimate travel companion for discovering unforgettable destinations. As the cruise gently returns to the harbor, the experience leaves a lasting impression. The skyline, the water, and the feeling of calm remain with you, turning this simple journey into a meaningful memory. It becomes more than just a sightseeing tour, it becomes a moment of connection with the city and yourself, one that stays with you long after the ride ends.